How to work with thermal imagers in electrical maintenance. We're starting the inspection with switching cabinets in this room. In addition to the ambient temperature and scale, we first have to set the emissivity of the measurement object. In this case, an emissivity of 0.95 is recommended. However, before we concern ourselves with fuses and circuit breakers, we check the wiring load on this cable here. Everything's fine. In the switching cabinet, we're looking for overheated components. They are often very small. That's when the IFOV warner can be very useful. It visualizes which measurement object can be measured from which distance, and shows you whether the temperatures of surrounding objects might falsify the temperature of the actual measurement object. The thermal imager Testo 872S can be wirelessly connected to the clamp meter Testo 770. This allows you to see in the thermal image whether there is voltage or output at exactly the component being examined. These measurement values are also saved, together with the recorded thermal image, and can be used in the analysis for an optimum evaluation of the electrical components. The switching cabinets of machines can of course also be quickly tested with a Testo thermal imager. In these cases, the delta T function allows the temperature values from two freely selectable measurement points to be directly compared, and the differential temperature read off. We then check the connections and insulation of this transformer. All in order here. A big challenge in inspections in industrial surroundings are the many identical measurement objects, which result in equally identical thermal images. The Testo site recognition function was developed for exactly this purpose. The technology ensures fully automatic measuring location recognition, along with storage and management of thermal images resulting from inspections. So that was it, as far as the measurement is concerned. Now for the documentation. You can use not only the free software Testo IR Soft, but also the Testo Thermography app to create a professional report and send it to your customer.